Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, please like, subscribe, and click the little bell for notifications. And as always, check the link in the description for a blog post. I always accompany my videos with a blog post that has a more comprehensive information, possibly things that I missed or was not able to put in the video. So in today's video, we will be installing a motion sensor switch inside my metal garage. It's super handy because once you walk into the garage, it auto turns on, and you can set it to different times, either 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or to turn off in 30 minutes. Of course, you have a manual override in case you need to work in longer, but it's super convenient because you're not walking into a dark room. If you're in the garage, you don't have to worry about going back to turn off the lights. It will do it automatically. So it's a good energy saver as well as a convenience for you when walking inside of a large or small room that is typically dark. So I'm going to be replacing this light switch with a wall switch vacancy and occupancy sensor. I got this from Amazon. There are plenty of brands. All of them work anywhere. All the brands range between $12 to $40. I chose this one because I could adjust some settings on it, and I like that the sensor is above because this is in a corner, and I'm hoping that this will give me the proper range because this is a very large garage. I don't know if it'll reach me at the end, but for the most part, once I'm in, I can walk towards it and it'll sense it. So the tools that you're going to be needing is just a simple Phillips screwdriver. And before you begin any type of electrical work, make sure you turn off the power. That way you don't shock yourself. So very important safety. So right now I turn the switch on and there's no live power. All right guys, so I got the wrong sensor switch because this one has a neutral wire. And I went to the hardware store and I got this one here that I believe only requires 3 wires. So we got the switch, the instructions, and yes, it only has 3 wires. I'm not really sure what this one is for, but let's connect it. With the power turned off for safety, we're going to go ahead and remove these screws. So now that we've taken off the old switch and unplugged it, we've straightened out the wires. So we've turned off the power, and we're going to put green to green, Finished installing the motion sensor switch, and I am at the furthest dock garage door, and I'm going to open it up and test out. Yep, as you can see, the lights came on, and I'm pretty far away. So the sensor is there at the entrance next to the door. I have it set for 30 minutes. Very easy to install. It's just a matter of making sure that you need or don't need a neutral wire. So that's it. It's very simple to install. Basically, you just need to know if you need a sensor switch with or without a neutral. Very useful because you don't have to go all the way to the switch to turn it on, and remember to turn it off.